Okay, a word of caution when using a razor. I don't want to be blamed for any holes going through your sweater or shirt. I'm just showing you what I'm doing to my sweaters and shirts and see if it works. And I think you'll be surprised. In any case, I had to add that cautionary tale. Don't overshave. Do you ever have that pesky little problem of those little fuzz balls growing out of nowhere on your sweaters and your plaid shirts? Well, I'm here to help you out with this problem. Hi, my name is Rebecca from Laugh So Create, and in today's video I'm going to share some tips and tricks using a simple razor. Since I don't have one of those sweater razor thingies, I'm going to give my best shot with this razor. Come see how it works out. I'm going to use it on some of my shirts and cardigans. And let's take a look at what causes it. So yes, it is preventable for the most part. The shorter fibers in fabric that somehow get twisted and tangled over time and cause the little pilling or the little balls to create. Washing your sweaters the right side out can make this worse. So a good tip is to turn your sweater inside out before you put it in the washing machine. There are some detergents out there that have enzymes in it that can also help prevent some of this pilling action. You don't see pilling as much with fabrics that are made out of the longer of fibers, such as silk. It's mostly with things like cotton. Stay tuned if this is interesting to you, or if you want to figure out how to cure this pesky little problem. Follow along. All right, here we go. Let me show you what we have going on. All the pilling. So let's take a friendly razor. Now be careful with this. Proceed with caution. Doing a pretty good job. It just might take you a while to do a whole sweater, but it seems to be doing a really good job. All right, so that's one. All right, so it works. It may not work on your finest sweaters, or you might not want to try it on your finest sweaters, but in a pinch. And I love this shirt. It looks like it's doing a really good job.